Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oyuore nyasi mar sidho jadolo Henry Juma Odonya misidho kaka jabishop manyien mar kanisa ma Kopere Diocese ma Kitale. Jotend migepe maduong' Musalia Mudavadi to gi gavana ma kaunti ma Trans Nzoia George Natembeya gin moko kuom jotelo moyuore nyasi matimore alap ma Kitale Agricultural Showgrounds. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ma bende ni Limbe mandalari e kaunti ma Trans Nzoia igeno ni biro yango chenro mar miyo jopur vocha mar neno ni giyudo mbolea ma nengogi oyweyo kaka ne gindikore. Wawinjane kaka nyasi no dhi nyime achiel kachiel kowuok Kitale.
Thank everyone and welcome you to Catholic Diocese of Kitale on behalf of the priest, religious men and women, and the laity. We want to thank everyone for making this day a success. May God bless you. Secondly, I want to thank Bishop Emeritus Maurice Anthony Crowley, the founding bishop of Catholic Diocese of Kitale. We want to thank you, Bishop, for the good work you've done to our diocese, the foundation that you have laid. In fact, we are now enjoying the work and the fruits of the labor you've done for the last 24 years. May God bless you as you retire. Finally, I want to congratulate first, and thank the second bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Kitale, Right Reverend Henry Juma Odonya. Tumpongeze. My Lord Bishop, I want to assure you on behalf of the priest, religious men and women, and the laity that we are going to obey you. We are going to support you for the success of our diocese. May God bless you and bless as you start now shepherding us. And now, allow me now to welcome the Secretary General of the Kenyan Conference of Catholic Bishops, Reverend Father Ferdinand Lugonzo, to continue with the program. Asanteni sana.